Morning guys, I thought I would do a quick run through of the swing trades I'm looking at and the main long-term position that I'm looking at. So my swing trade that I'm looking to add is DSGT. As most of you already know, I already have a position in DSGT. I have done a YouTube video as well, so please check that out. It's on my YouTube, like I mentioned. But DSGT, I want to see some pullbacks. All right, so we have the Fibonacci retracement indicator on. Depending on where we open at the price, at the open, sorry, I would like to see a pullback to about $1.15. Then I would consider adding. So my current position is, let me double check on trading 212. So yeah, my current position on DSGT now, my average price is 89 cents. So I would like to add at $1.15, and if it drops lower, then again I can average up, but I don't mind averaging up. I think the goal is to be sub $1 with this stock because it has potential. I mean, look at what it's done. So on the 22nd of December, we saw a run up from 32, pretty much almost 100% run up, and on the 22nd of December was when it was announced that they had received their first shipment. And then we saw another run up on the 29th on the announcement of the second shipment of the containers. So if you've watched my YouTube videos, you will know what I mean. So it seems like this particular stock has run ups on really good news pertaining to shipments and inventory coming in. So I expect more announcements of more containers coming in, and obviously with that it could potentially push this stock to the $2 mark, which if our average is below $1 or $1, that's a 100% return on our money, which is phenomenal. So DSGT, if you can get it below $1 or on the $1 mark, you are laughing. Okay, so next play is TAUG, TAUG, for those who may be unaware. So we got in quite early, so we got in at 7 cents. It's now had a run up to 12 cents, and that's due to the CEO who tweeted on New Year's Eve that international expansion. So I would definitely advise following the CEO on Twitter if you can. I have reached out to him this morning to see where they are at with US retailers, and that remains to be seen. So I'll be keeping you updated on the swing trading list. But I think with TAUG, if you can get it sub 15 cents, I think you're in a good position. Remember guys, this is a swing trade for me. It's not a day trade. I think if the CEO can make further announcements on Twitter, then this could easily go to 30 cents easily, and that represents a 100% profit on your position if you get in at 15. But again, this could all be blown out of the water. I don't want to add if it's higher than 15, because like I said, I'm in at 7 cents. So $30 cents, sorry, is kind of like my price target towards in the next 6 months. Again, depending on the progress of the company, and then I want to pull out all of my money at 100%. So from a long-term position investment, I want to get more in Nano Dimensions. I have also a video where I broke down Nano Dimensions. My average on Nano Dimensions at the moment is $4, and I would love to get, if this hits $8, or sorry, if it goes sub $9, then I'm going to average up. And I think if you look at this company from a long-term perspective and its potential, again, watch my video so you can understand what the company do, and also the fact that we have proof of concept with this company now. I think if you can get it below $9, you're going to be great within the next 2 to 3 years. So Nano Dimension is a very volatile stock at the moment, but as you can see, since October, it's been on a nice, beautiful uptrend, and I think this uptrend will continue. Now, this company is known to do a lot of direct offerings, which does have an effect on the share price, of course. But I think if you can get in on NNDM sub $9, you've got yourself a lot of wiggle room. So that's my main focus for my long-term play for this week. I'll keep you updated, of course, in the Discord if anything does change or if I do start a position. But as of this morning, I have put out a notification that I'm trying to get into ARB. I've given my reasons as to why. As of right now, looking at my trading 212 position, it hasn't been filled. Yeah, so my order is still pending, which again, this is typical trading 212. I don't want to try and get this on my IG Markets account because I know it will get filled almost instantly on IG Markets, but IG Markets, I've pretty much maxed out my ISA on that, so I can't really add to my IG Markets account. But ARB, I think if you can get it at 40p, you're laughing. At the moment it is 42p. Oh, it's dropped to 39, which is even better. So this lag might actually be great because I think this stock has a lot of potential. Again, it's a crypto miner, all right. So, and it's heavily undervalued in comparison to its US counterpart, which is currently trading at $17. So I think if we can get ARB sub sub 40p, we're just gonna ride the coattails of the Bitcoin bubble or hype, as it were. So yeah, that's my plays for this morning. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at for this week. I'll catch you in the Discord. All right.